Hey, what's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to talk about this book called The Beauty of Chemistry, Art, Wonder, and Science. And I'm just going to basically touch on why I wanted it and maybe rummage a little bit briefly through some of its content. And I wanted a book to visualize chemical reactions that I've been studying and thinking about. And I thought this book did a great job of that. I was actually surprised to find that the language, the the content beyond the visualizations was actually quite good. I enjoyed reading this book very, very much. And so let's see if we can look at the table of contents here. We can see it talks about bubbles, crystals, precipitation. A chapter I found very interesting was dendritic growth. It talks about positive feedback mechanisms. So you can see that if as one or two, three atoms start to accumulate in one area, there's a positive feedback mechanism that allows that sliver to grow more and more. And that's how you kind of get dendritic growth. It also talks about flames, electrochemistry, plants, heat, biology, and some interesting patterns we see in nature. And so maybe if we look at the dendritic growth units, let's see. See here, for example, we have silver crystals grown by electrochemical reduction of a silver salt. You can see how it grows in certain areas through a positive feedback mechanism. It makes these different little slivers and expands on snowflakes and other patterns that we see with dendrites. But I just thought it was very fascinating. One con is that some of the images, it would have been helpful if they provided a scale at what level they measured it or imaged the object. I was a bit confused sometimes, like what I was looking at, or at least give some context as to how the image was taken. Would also have been pretty cool. But other than that, a fantastic book. Really enjoyed it. And it did what I wanted it to do and served its purpose. So